It is no doubt that living in a well-lighted house makes the quality of living more comfortable and lively. Being able to look out of the windows, looking at those morning breeze that brushes off the trees, having ample of natural lighting invading into the home, reflecting the beauty of the space. Are you currently living in a house and you feel that the space isn't enough and you want to carry out an extension to increase the usability of your home, or you feel like it's about time to transform your current home to give it more energy and character? My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be sharing a simple extension on the side of the home that changes the lifestyle of the residing owners. The living hall used to have an unused space behind the TV area, and there was limited lighting due to the small window opening. We tore down the TV wall and extended it all the way to the end, enlarging the living hall to cater for a subtle work desk that sits neatly at the back of the sofa. This allows the owner to work and look after the kids at the same time. The TV feature wall is designed to mimic the concept of the bamboo trees on the side. The inconsistent thickness of the timber strips subtly creates a three-dimensional depth of the bamboo concept. Enlarging the side walls, turning them into tall and large sliding doors, makes the entire living hall brighter and larger. An interesting feature wall was built 5 feet away from the sliding doors with the bamboo trees planted along the feature wall. This space has an intention that acts as an outdoor garden and feels like an extension to the living hall space when the sliding doors are open. This feature brick wall creates visual privacy for the owners to have their curtains wide open, allowing ample of natural lighting to invade brilliantly into the space. Moving on to the dining and dry kitchen area. From the layout here, you could see how congested the entire dining area is. With the L-shaped storage cabinet that surrounds the dining table, it is almost impossible to access any of these cabinets when the family are dining here. As the family size was growing, the children's return from overseas, family expense, it was undoubtedly time to undergo some major extension. We demolished the existing walls and extended this side of the home to the end of this property's boundary. Leaving a double volume void at the dry kitchen area gives the dry kitchen a more spacious outcome. This extension has now easily gave 3 times more space compared to the initial dining area.
I always enjoy cooking, be it for my kids or even for guests or relatives. Cooking and catering for guests was always something I really enjoy doing. It is a ritual for us that many generations we have always taught our children to sit down with everyone present to have dinner at least once a week, regardless of how busy we all are, and this could only happen if we have a larger dining area.
We have sufficient land to do the extension, but just did not have the know-how. If it were up to me, I would have blindly extended the house to the very maximum and end up with a really dark home like how the designers suggested.
The bedroom above the dining was a bedroom that was initially smaller in size on the first floor, but due to the extension of the kitchen area on the ground floor, we had the opportunity to enlarge the size of the bedroom. The magical part of this extended architecture was building this extension with I-beams and exposing the red brick walls and steel structure. Enforcing this feature wall to the existing architecture with windows and a glass roof structure, this makes the entire extension a focal masterpiece. Leaving an extra void to allow for double volume, this gives the bedroom above a captivating view of the red brick structure and also allowing more natural lighting to flood into the dining area, which now sits deeper in the center of the home. dining area is now transformed from a 4-seater dining table to an 8-seater solid wood slab dining top, which is anchored to the I-beam structure bolted to the ground. The usage of solid oak wood for the kitchen tabletop, bar top, and even the bathroom countertop adds so much character to this home. This selection of countertop is not an Asian customary. Many would have the impression that wood tops would not be able to withstand the heavy-duty daily usage as a countertop. And here I'm telling you, using solid wood tops would be something worth exploring. It is a matter of fact that solid wood tops are a strong and durable material, and one key selling point to wood top is that it's naturally hygienic surface which has antibacterial properties that potentially eliminates 99% of all contaminants. Since the bedroom was an extended area without any height restrictions, we decided to maximize the ceiling height by creating a slanted roof design that was completed in solid timber finish. This timber ceiling complements the architecture so well, buffering the bursts of natural lighting, creating a softer ambience for the bedroom during the day and turns into a restful environment by night. The glass structure extension brings in so much natural lighting to the bedroom, which makes the bedroom pleasantly illuminated, whilst having black flooring. The bar height worktop is an inspiring space to read or even to reply your emails. Having full privacy away from the neighbours and enjoying good lighting and proudly indulging in the captivating view of the red brick structure with the trees swaying around the area. It was a requirement by the owners to have a bathtub in the bathroom. But we decided to interpret by placing the bathtub at the corner of the bedroom, which is now comfortably facing the TV feature wall. This peculiar move has now made the bathtub an impactful evocation to guests who visit this bedroom. Another unconventional move was to move the basin out from the bathroom, merging it within the dressing table worktop. A home should always be customized to be revolving around your daily lifestyle. Every decision you make to the renovation needs to have a meaning or a purpose. Enlarging your home, having more empty spaces for storage or dead corners, this is the last thing you want to achieve after your renovation. We hope you learned a tip or two from today's video. Stay tuned to more exciting videos of such. There were many requests asking for a top 10 kitchen design in our previous video comments. We want you to know we hear you and we appreciate your support. Our top 10 kitchen videos will be coming up next week. So if you have not subscribed to us yet, do subscribe to us now and don't forget to click on that notification button. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Thank you for watching.